18 servings. 630 calories. Perfect for food storage, emergencies, survival, camping, and everyday use. Ready to eat as a delicious snack. Up to a 30-year shelf life. The Augason Farms freeze-dried sliced strawberries are naturally sweet and can be reconstituted and used in any recipe that calls for fresh strawberries. They're that good. Perfect straight from the can is a delicious way to get your daily vitamin C. No matter the case, this number 10 can is an absolute essential in an emergency. It's easy to transport and includes all your food storage needs. Make the wise decision and let Augason Farms give you a peace of mind that's as indispensable as it is delicious. Family-owned and operated since 1972, Augason Farms believes that great taste is a tradition worth preserving. They'll provide you with delicious peace of mind with their food essentials. Augason Farms recognizes that today's consumers are more concerned than ever before about what kind of foods they eat, and want to provide their families with food that is safe and the best quality. Whether enjoying Augason Farms products for everyday meals, as an emergency food supply, or years down the road, you can be confident that Augason Farms long-term food storage products are guaranteed for quality and taste every time. Please discard oxygen absorber after opening. Best when stored in a cool, dry place at temperatures between 55 degrees and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal humidity 15%. Top reviews from the United States. We love these. These are great to munch on or to put on top of your cereal in the morning. We buy a bunch and store them for emergencies, but we also always have one open to just use right away. The canopy is packed by weight, not volume, so just don't expect a full can. You will get strawberry dust at the bottom, but that makes yummy strawberry milk, or you can add it into pancake mix for more flavor. Be creative and you can find many uses for these. I just wish they stayed crunchy longer. Once open, you need to reseal them into smaller bags airtight, or you'll get moisture in them and they lose their crunch. I snack on these instead of chips and it's so much healthier. Definitely recommend when you find them at a good price. Shop for the best price before committing to buying so you get an idea of when it's best to buy them. I get 4 at a time and they last me a long time that way.